With the blessing of God, the most merciful. This is Ahmed Sultan, QHC Business International Chief Executive Officer, CEO. I hope you are following our videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 306. Before I proceed to chapter number 306, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after doing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 306 is about improvement. How the improvements plays a significant role in ISO system. Improvement is very important and imperative part of ISO system which needs to be done and implemented on regular basis. Basically, improvements should be done with the planning, and which should be done according to the guidelines and the decision done in the management review. Improvements makes this organization grow in the ISO system. For example, in the quality management, in environment management, and health and safety, if the improvements are done by the organization, they can be that organization is spending more money in giving the QMS training to the employees for this fiscal year. For the environment, the improvement can be done that organization is applying environmental traps, environmental guidelines, and liquid flowing in the organization to make it very specific, so that there should be less air pollution in the organization. Organization is using the proper filters for the furnaces, for the generators, and for the equipment like forklifters, to so that there no smoke should be come down from the environment perspective. And similarly, for the health and safety, organization can have the guidelines that organization will be having a proper emergency plan for all the departments of the organization, implemented at 100% effective for this for the coming year. This improvement can be one of the improvements that organization is going to have all the fire extinguisher, first aid, and the emergency requirements like fire drill, emergency drill, like fire blanket. All the things need to be implemented properly on all the departments, with the proper training, improvement, and the safety guidelines for all the people present in the organization. In this way, the improvement can be done and can be followed up. If you need more details, analysis, summary, reports, recommendation, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400. And you can reach me on my three email address, another number at +92 314 639 7990. And you can reach me on my three email addresses at ahmedsultanrana@yahoo.com, ahmedsultanrana digit 1 at gmail.com, contact at qhcbusinessinternational.com, and even you can reach me on my company website at www.qhcbusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.